Hello everyone, today we are going to study about laws of motion, that is your unit 3 or chapter 3, and in this first section is contact and non-contact forces. In this topic we are going to study about force and its effects and the types of forces we come across in our daily lives. So let's start. First of all, what is force? So force is any push or pull that can change body's state of motion or state of rest or anything. So let's see what are the effects produced by force. A force can change the state of rest or motion of a body, that is, it can produce motion in a body. Means, if just suppose that some body is in rest initially, and when force is applied on it, it changes its state and come in motion. That is the example of effect of force. Like example, let's suppose there is a ball and someone comes and kick this ball, then the ball which was initially at rest now starts moving with some speed or velocity. Okay, so second effect is it can change the size or shape of body. So this means that whenever a force is applied on a body, so the force, that is the push or pull, can change the size of that object or body. Like for example, hammering steel or sheets or metal, any metal. When we hammer any metal, then what happens? It is beaten into sheets. That is, its shape and size is changed from one shape to another shape. Okay, so these are the some effects that are being produced by when the force is applied, and there are many such examples which you can see in your daily lives of effects of force. It means that whenever a force is applied on a body, then what effects are produced you can see. Now next is types of forces. The forces are of two types: contact and non-contact forces. So first of all, contact forces. Contact forces are those forces which are experienced by any two bodies or more than two bodies when they are in physical contact. Contact means when the bodies on which the force is being applied, then they are in contact. Physically they are in contact, or physically they are touched with each other. Second one is non-contact force. The name is saying its meaning itself. It means that when the bodies on which the force is experienced are not in any physical touch. Okay, so the force which is applied when there is any physical touch or contact between the two bodies, that is contact forces, and when there is not any such physical touch between two bodies, then it is a non-contact force. Okay, so that's all.